What is up, people from the internet? My name is Zowex and today is a glorious day. Actually 2 days ago, but who cares? Because we have new toys to play with in our favorite mobile doll. And today I'm gonna take a first look at the new update. So, okay, this is the video, the introduction video of the new update from ImageLine Self. So I'm gonna take a look at it and let's go.
To FL Studio Mobile 4. In this video, we'll show you what's new.
Just such an ASMR voice. Welcome to a new update from FL Studio Mobile.
Including instrument and effect modules, plus workflow features including key signature tools and even UI theming.
Ooh.
Let's get started with instruments.
Instruments.
First
Slicer. We predicted this. We predicted this in another video.
Slicer module.
Slicer
a drum loop
module.
slicer that can automatically chop audio files into pieces and assign a note in the piano roll for each slice. Inspired by our Fruity Slicer plugin for FL Studio Desktop.
Nice.
Loops with tempo information and markers should use the manual setting indicated by the M. That's all the way to the left. For files that don't have internal markers, turn up the sensitivity knob to apply increasing amounts of automatic slicing. You'll notice every time you change this control, the notes and their length in the piano roll change too. By default, Slicer will dump the new notes of the loop to the piano roll every time the sensitivity control is updated. To change that behavior, deselect Auto here. Attack, decay and pitch are self-explanatory.
Okay, so it's basically SliceX from FL Studio 20, which is pretty cool. You can use it for vocal chops and stuff. That's very cool, and sampling stuff.
The Multiband compressor module is a 3-band compressor.
Multiband compressor. Let's go What? Why did that pop up on screen? What?
Maximizer.
Yes, we got it. We got OTT, guys. Virtual Riot sounds incoming.
When you load it, you are greeted with crossover settings, a dry mix knob that adds dry signal to the compressed signal, and an output gain control. On the left side here, you can preview each band in solo.
Each band in solo. That's very nice. That's very handy for mastering.
Each band has the essential controls of a compressor: input gain, threshold, ratio, makeup gain, and time variables, attack and release. You can also see a visualization of the audio passing through the band and a gain reduction curve here.
Very nice.
The switches on the right side allow bypassing and muting.
If I use OTT on FL20, right, it's just a few knobs. But this is so much more than a few knobs. So it's very interesting to see if the multiband compressor on a mobile doll is better than the VST we all love.
Workflow updates.
Okay.
We've added a scale locking feature to our keyboard and piano roll. Never be out of key again.
Never be out of key again.
When you have an instrument selected in the playlist, tap here to open the scale tool. Select a scale here. Notice all notes that aren't in the scale are now grayed out. This means you cannot play these notes, not from the touchscreen or from a MIDI controller.
Okay.
It applies to the piano roll too.
Okay, so
this control will collapse the touch keyboard into showing only the notes in the scale as playable keys, making it easier to hit something for someone with no piano experience at all.
Oh, to be fair, that's really impressive.
In line with this, you can now also snap to scale in the piano roll when you have notes selected.
Oh. So if you think you're off key, you just throw that.
Selected a scale, newly painted notes will snap to it immediately.
Oh.
You can still drag notes out of the scale though.
Okay. So if you have something you don't want to be in.
You can even have FL Studio Mobile guess a scale based off of a box selection of notes.
Wow. You see, this is very impressive. I'm very impressed with what I'm seeing here. Just for a mobile DAW. I mean, I've tried so many mobile DAWs when I was beginning with producing, with music production. And these features are so, like, professional for a mobile DAW.
All effects now have output gain and mix controls here. Finally, parallel compression in FL Studio Mobile.
Ah.
When you've made a playlist selection, you can now render that region to audio.
What? Really? That's insane.
So new are settings for reverb and delay tails here. Leave remainder will leave the tail to fade to silence. Wrap remainder will add it to the beginning of the audio file, which is great for creating seamless loops, while cut remainder will abruptly stop the audio at the end of the playlist data.
Okay, that's very handy to make sample packs, by the way.
Or recently deleted files. Deleted one too many files when cleaning up the My Songs folder? No biggie. Just go up a level and go into recently deleted. Then long tap it and select Restore. Yay! On Windows and macOS, you can now right-click a file in the Songs tab and select Show in Explorer or Finder to open a File Explorer window at that location. Handy for managing files. Themes are here.
I saw this.
Yes, you heard me right. You can now select between a number of themes that were expertly crafted for FL Studio Mobile. More to come in the future.
Ooh, more to come in the future, okay. This is just a filter they put over the gray. Paper. That's very cursed. That's very cursed. It's basically... that's like using Discord on light mode. Look at this! What is this?
In the browser, you can now see the samples you're previewing on the bottom, with an extra play button to make it easy to audition longer files.
Oh, that's something Ableton has.
For desktop setups, we have also improved mouse and keyboard support.
Nice.
There are now right-click actions, hover animations, and you can now press Escape to close pop-ups, Enter to accept prompts, and Tab and Shift Tab to step through controls.
Ooh. What we have in FL Studio 20, like copy and pasting stuff, like Control B. I would like to add Control B to duplicate faster. That's something I want. Just think about it. If you know, you know.
In the settings, you can now enable continuous scrolling during playback. This will keep the playhead in view at all times. We've also introduced a new...
That's very nice for final results in videos.
CPU meter.
CPU
Green
meter, I noticed that.
Amber is cause for concern, and red means your device is about to catch fire.
Oh.
Well, maybe not that extreme, but you're going to see the meter flash red when the processor is running out of time to fill the audio buffer, resulting in buffer underruns.
Okay.
With pack artwork and a preview player.
New shop.
Makes it much easier to see if an expansion is for you.
500 expertly crafted electronic drum samples. 500?
Of
Okay.
FL Studio Mobile 4, as much as we love your lifetime free updates.
Lifetime free updates. I'm just saying. This guy is David Attenborough of Attenborough. Yeah, I think I got it right. Insane introduction video. We are heading over to FL Mobile to see if I can handle this. I have opened and installed the new packs already, but I haven't touched anything else. Okay, so okay, we have an empty project here. Themes, just for the fun. This is so cursed. Ah! I want that cool one. Is that Deep Purple? Yeah, that's deep purple. And okay. Okay, so this is the multiband compressor. I'm just playing with it. What I'm gonna do now is going to use not pitcher, slicer, and I'm gonna import sliced beats. What is this? Okay, this is what you can buy. We're gonna do a vocal, okay? So you have your friend come bring you back in the club again. Okay, let's just. Okay. Control A, does that work? No, that doesn't work. Okay, what I want to do is I want to select these all, but Control A does not work. So can I just delete? Okay, I'm just gonna play. Nah. Hold. Okay, hold is something I can work with. Cool. Oh no, I did it again. Delete everything again. That does annoy me a little bit, but apart from that, yo, this is something I really like. This is something. Okay, that's very cool. I want to make something with this, okay? I like this very much. Okay, sidechain. Is that, yeah, that's about right. What happens? No, did it crash? It crashed! Why did it crash? Stupid update. I'm not gonna use auto. Why can't I? Okay, I found a bug. It's stupid. Why can't you automate? Okay, automate. Link to automate. Okay, I can. I can't automate like this because then it's gonna crash. I don't have time to go through everything right now. It's all gonna be in my description. I want to thank you guys for watching this epic, joyful video, epic day. Everything's epic today. I expect sick things from you guys now because you now have these abilities and it's easy to use. And I want to know how you are experiencing this new brand new update. I want you to drop that in the comments or join my Discord server and show what you made with this new update. Link in the description for the Discord server. Please subscribe, please like. Thank you for 6,000 subscribers and bye bye.